exciting. Let's go start. Let's go for this. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh! You're gonna get I need help. I'll do my best. We need this. Okay, this is so cool one. I love it with my hair with it. I don't want to ruin it. With this dog. Wow! So cool! Wow, hairstyle brush. This is so cool. You want to get this? Please like my video, okay? I'm going to do my hair straight. This is flat hair. And when you have long hair, you get straight. You use this one. And when you have short hair, you use the brush. I have short hair. I have the brush. Let's go put it on. And I have to use short. This is on and this is off. And go see I straight hair. This is all I done it. This has 1, 8, and 0. That means that's on. It's hot. Don't touch it for babies, because the baby is going to die when you touch it. You're going to die, and don't do that, okay? Don't put babies near this, and don't lose it. It's so important. Don't put it in the This is super important. Let's not make this fire, because this so can make fire when they don't or die. Okay? I put it. Now I can put it in there. Okay, let's go do it. Oh, I'm so scared. I'm so scared. This one is slow down and this one is fast. You don't need to use the fast because I'm a child. I'm so like 1, 6, 7 and you press this one, you don't do that again. Don't do that. The lowest one. When you are children, or medium children, or big children, you have to use the small one. When you are a parent, you have to use the big one. Like, this is so important. Don't put it in your eyes because you die. This is not die. I'm just kidding. This is not die. There's a bond. And when you press this one again, this is off. This one, 6. 1, 6, 0. Press together. Now let's go press this one. 5, 0. What happened? Again. I don't know how to do it. You want to use the press this one. When you need like highest one, press this one. Don't like the YouTubers like the evil one watch. Someone got killed by this. Like I think that's this. I'm gonna do my hair in the stick. I'm not doing that. My mom is going to do it. We're going to run the video and get back here and have to see what it looks like. Because I have super crazy hair. It's so bumpy. I'm so bumpy. Oh yeah, I'm announcing. Look at my hair. It's so straight, much and that. So, bye guys. See you soon, inshallah. And please like is this one, and subscribe my channel, this one, and this a thumbs up. When this thumbs up, you get so many videos, and you have to not cheat, cause the video is important. Like this can delete, and this can do advertising, and so bye guys.